Delhi High Court declines to stay Competition Commission's probe into WhatsApp privacy policy. That's the breaking news coming in. WhatsApp and Facebook had approached the High Court against the March 24 CCI order in which the competition regulator came to a prima facie conclusion that the conduct of WhatsApp in sharing of users' personalized data with other Facebook companies is neither fully transparent nor based on voluntary and specific user consent. Anisha Mathur now joins us for the very latest on this. Anisha, what does this exactly mean? This means that they will be probed and it is a setback coming in for WhatsApp at this point of time?
Well, yes, Chetil. Remember, WhatsApp, this is now the second application that was filed by WhatsApp and Facebook against the Competition Commission's ongoing probe. Now, they had once again come to the High Court against the notice that was issued by the DG of Competition Commission on the 4th of June, asking for a stay on the notice that was issued and asking for restraint against the order passed in March by the CCI, wherein this investigation into the allegations of violation of privacy and violation of competition rules was initiated. Now, what has happened here is that this hearing happened on Monday, where WhatsApp had asked for a stay, and the High Court has now released its order saying that we are not going to issue any stay at this stage. What is also interesting is that the CCI itself has said that the notice was in line with the procedure that the CCI statute allows for in an ongoing investigation. There is no stay. Remember, in March, when the court had been asked to come up to look into this matter by WhatsApp, even then there was no stay. Once again, the court has said there is no stay. So the CCI's probe into the WhatsApp privacy policy and the allegations of this anti-market policies is going to go on as it is going. What the CCI has also told the court is that their investigation is going to take some time, and the further hearing in this matter, the petition filed by WhatsApp, is now in July.
All right, Anisha, thanks so much for breaking this down for our viewers right there. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this story.